Are you tired of struggling with money problems? Do you feel trapped by the lack of options in life? I get it. I used to be stressed, overwhelmed, and broke. I needed to find a way to change my situation. I remember the sleepless nights, worrying about how to pay the next bill. But everything changed when I discovered a simple 5-step system for generating daily pay with just 2 hours of work each day. Today, I feel so thankful and blessed to have found this opportunity. Imagine if you could learn a step-by-step process that helps you build an online business that works for you on autopilot 24/7. This means daily pay without the constant grind. Imagine never having to take a calculator to the store ever again. Imagine not having to consult your bank account to decide which bills are getting paid this month. Or finally being able to jump online and plan that dream family vacation you've longed for. How would that feel? That's what our system can do for you. Are you ready to break the chains of poverty off your family once and for all? Don't wait. Visit www.moneycreatesoptions.com to begin your journey of building your life by design, no longer by default. That's www.moneycreatesoptions.com. You ready? Type ready in the comments. Let's go!